Tired of fumbling with keys or worried about home security? Discover the ultimate DIY smart lock installation guide for 2025. Many believe upgrading to a smart lock is a complex, costly task, but you'll be amazed at how easily you can enhance your home security in just an hour or two. This comprehensive guide debunks myths, providing step-by-step instructions to replace your old deadbolt with a brand new smart version, saving you hundreds on professional locksmith fees. We'll walk you through gathering essential tools, understanding critical door measurements, and avoiding common pitfalls like misaligned strike plates that could compromise security. Learn the surprising tricks to connect the tricky internal wiring and ensure your new smart lock integrates seamlessly with your existing smart home setup, even if it's Matter compatible. Transform your entryway with cutting-edge technology, gaining unmatched peace of mind and unparalleled convenience with your installed smart lock. Get ready to effortlessly boost your home's intelligence and security yourself. Find all the recommended tools and the best smart locks of 2025 linked in the description below to get started today. This is your complete walkthrough to master smart lock installation and future-proof your home security.